How to use heat shield wrap roll perfectly. Firstly, take out the tube you want to wrap and suitable size of heat shield wrap. Prepare a pair of scissors. Secondly, pull open the tape. Measure the required size. Thirdly, cut off the tape. Stick it along the edge. Apply the tape neatly. In addition, you can cut the tape in half. Stick to the bend of the pipe. Next, repeat the above steps continuously. In the last, we finished it.